Have you ever seen this kind of mobile home construction? All you need is a crane to move it to anywhere you want to place it. The building in front of you, it's called the movable apple pod. Looks like an apple farm. The key is that the price is not expensive if your budget is limited. So this portable apple pod, definitely your best choice. You can use it to open a store, make a kiosk, coffee house, commercial venues such as restaurants. It can also be used as a reception room, office space, or for living. It's all perfectly fine. How about a portable apple pod like this? Do you like it? And what would you do with it? Follow me, show you a different mobile home.